Got him. Hybrid. 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 There's bigger ones in there too. Bigger ones in there too. He's going back in the pipe. Going back in the pipe. He's not the big one, but I'll take him. There's one way bigger in there. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's got me around everything. Oh, he's got me around the freaking motor. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. We are about to go take the John boat out, do a little bit of Ohio River fishing. Gonna try and get some wipers, probably get some white bass, maybe some smallmouth, maybe some spotted bass, who knows. We're pretty much gonna be targeting the wipers and white bass though. So we're gonna keep it pretty simple today, guys. I'm pretty much just gonna be throwing, I'm gonna use this little like light rod, ultra light maybe, I don't know, it's a little speed shooter. Got this at Roll King for like 40 bucks. It's cheap little rod, but it's fun because it's small and it's light. And it gets a little crazy though. If you hook one of these big wipers, it gets crazy. But the reason I'm using such a small rod is because all the fish are like keying in on these little tiny like 1-inch emerald shiners. And they're just absolutely everywhere. There are millions of them, and that's what everything's eating right now. So what I'm throwing is, see the little crappie bait right there? That is the Crap Slap Minnow from Cass Cray Outdoors. He's got like literally 100 different colors, but pretty much any of the clear looking ones or the shad colored or like just any natural color is what's working right now, because these are little like silver, almost like iridescent little emerald shiners is what's swimming around, and that's what all these fish are eating. But yeah, guys, you can get your Crap Slap Minnows at CassCray.com. Use code 505010 and you'll get a sweet little discount. Probably throw the A-rig around a little bit too and see if anything will bite on that, but let's get after it. Stay tuned. About to do a little bit of Ohio River fishing. Let's go! Comment below how many pulls you think it's gonna take to start. I'm gonna say, you know what? I'm gonna say first pull. It's like really shallow here. Whoa, almost went down. I need to get all my stuff together. Oh my gosh, first pull. I promise I didn't prime this thing. I did have it out 2 days ago though. Let's go catch some fish, huh? About the Ohio River is got some hobos living on the banks. He's got a nice setup. We're gonna try some of the Crap Slap Minnows by Cass Cray, guys. I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can get these. I catch so many freaking fish on these, anywhere from crappie all the way up to big bass actually. But right now we're gonna try and get some hybrids and some white bass, potentially even some smallmouth. They're keen in on super small little emerald shiners right now, almost that look identical to this. So you can actually see the emerald shiners freaking jumping. Oh, getting blown up on. Let's go see if we can get one, guys. Oh, just got hit. Got him, guys, and it's a smallie. Oh, he jumped off. Holy crap. Got him. I saw him come back for it. That was pretty cool. He was in that tree. Bobber might be the way to go. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. First smallie. That was cool. On the freaking minnow, guys. That's a pretty little fish, ain't it? Heck yeah. All right, let's do that again. It's a little guy, man. He was acting huge. Gosh, because the way I hooked him. Jeez, okay. That's two. Oh my gosh, okay. There's a lot going on here. Just had a nice smallmouth chase this. He missed it. I just paused it and he missed it again. Got him. There we go, guys. I think it's a little hybrid. Oh, he's fatter than I thought, and it is a little hybrid. We will take it. Just a little guy, but that's kind of what we're after, guys. Heck yeah. Beautiful little hybrid. Not as big as when we cut the other day. He's a lot heavier than I thought though, man. He is fat. He is fat. A little chunker. Look, buddy. Oh gosh, did you hear that? He's a little football. Look at that. Right as soon as it hit the water, guys, a little tiny guy. As soon as it hit the water, this little tiny guy. Jeez. These damn barge wakes coming. Oh my gosh. This thing's like breaking on me. This is ridiculous. It's gonna break around the damn boat. Oh god. Wow. We just took on water from those. That one felt good. It's a bigger smallie, I think. Not that big. This rod's small, I keep forgetting. Oh, it's a nice spotted bass. Hey, I'll take that. Hey, multi-species. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Nice Ohio River spotted bass right there. I love spotted bass. I actually had one of these as a pet as a kid for a while, and it got huge, and I let it back go in the river. They're just awesome. A lot of people don't know the difference between a largemouth and a spot. Coloration, the way the stripe is, size of the mouth, but the easiest way to tell, you just rub his tongue, and if it's got a tooth patch, it means it's a spotted bass. Let's go. Actually, this isn't far from where I caught my PB spot. It's almost 18 inches, Ohio River. Hey, these guys are just awesome fish, man. Awesome freaking fish. Later, buddy. He fought good, too. So I think I mentioned it before, but the key right now is everything in this river system right now are keying in on these little emerald shiners that like are maybe 2 inches long. So I hate throwing little baits. It can also be fun because you get to use lighter tackle though, but generally I like to throw bigger baits for bigger fish. So this way you kind of got to wean through everything. And I mean, you can throw bigger baits, you might potentially catch something, but like they are keying in. Oh, I seen some wipers, guys. I see some wipers. They're keying in though on these little fish. There's a big wiper in there chilling, trying to get his attention. But yeah, anyway, they're keying in on these tiny little baits. So you gotta match the hatch. You know, the entire river, both banks are just loaded with these emerald shiners right now. I mean, you could literally just go to the dip net and scoop up a million of them if you wanted to. They are so thick, and they're just running all the way up and down the bank, and there are just fish exploding on them everywhere. And you're competing with all these little bait fish, so you really gotta get really close to the presentation of these emerald shiners, or you're really not gonna catch that many fish. We're gonna throw the A-rig a couple times, see if we can get anything going. Did I miss him? Oh my gosh. Smallmouth. Freaking, look at this. What was he thinking? Gosh. Oh, you know, whatever. A-rig fish. Look, chill out, buddy. We're gonna get you off. Got the Cast Crate swim baits on this A-rig. I'm out of freaking shad color, but I got these blue. The blue seem to be working, I guess. Just caught that smallmouth on it. The blue looks pretty cool in the water. They kind of match the emeralds. The emeralds got a little blue tint to them, so we'll see. I want to get a big hybrid doing this. I might have to go somewhere else, though. I haven't seen a lot of big fish here. Just had another smallie drill the freaking A-rig, guys. Thought I was recording, I wasn't. I'm really bad at that. It's not a bad one there. Freaking drilled it. Absolutely drilled it. Love me some A-rig fish. Just gotta find some bigger A-rig fish. Now that is a healthy looking fish though, ain't it? Heck yes. On the A-rig. Let's go. Several of them. Oh. Okay. 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 Got him. Hybrid. There's bigger ones in there too. He's going back in the pipe. He's not the big one, but I'll take him. There's one way bigger in there. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's got me around everything. Oh, he's got me around the freaking motor. Got me around the motor, guys. He's got me around the damn motor. Oh my gosh. They are so freaking strong, even when they're just like 4 pounds like this. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh yes. He was in the pipe, guys. I don't know if you guys could tell. He was in the pipe. And there's one much larger in there. This guy's actually bigger than I thought he was. He looked little compared to the other guy. Wrapped me around my own freaking motor. Holy crap. There's one in there much larger than this guy. On the freaking minnow again, guys. The minnow is doing it. Holy crap. That was cool. They're in the freaking pipe. Oh, I see the big one in there now. Gosh. And I kind of want to eat him, but I love these guys so much. I see a giant in there. I see his tail kicking still. We're going to try and get him to turn around too after we let this guy go. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. Well, like I said, there's a much larger one in there. We're going to try and get him. But heck yeah, guys. Fish this size are fun too. Let's go. Let's go, guys. This is so freaking awesome. We will absolutely take that. That was freaking awesome. I'm really thinking about eating this guy. Let me get some meat for the freezer. I might actually keep this guy. Normally wanted, but need to get a little bit of meat for the freezer, so we'll probably keep 1 or 2. I probably should have kept the one from earlier too. But heck yes, guys. Let's go. What we got here, guys? We got something pretty good size here. Oh, it's a good smallmouth. Good smallmouth. Good smallmouth. Jeez, he was digging. He's not. Well, tell you what. Tell you freaking what, guys. It's not a bad smallie at all. I'm just gonna net him because I don't want to lose him. Pretty good size still, but that's not bad, guys. That's not bad. He was a freaking strong one, that's for sure. Gosh. I guess he's not that big, but that is not bad. We'll take it. Not a monster, but hey, that's not a bad one. We'll take it. Let's go. We catching lots of smallmouth. I don't even think I put them all in this video, but we've been catching lots of smallmouth. I like to get one like, you know, like 2-3 times the size of this one though, but hey, that one freaking fought. I even pulled the net out because on that light tackle, I mean, nothing really fights harder than a smallmouth.